Welcome to Python learning session. Today we'll be discussing about a Python and we have a problem in hand. The problem is related to credit card statement. This picture, what you are seeing here, this photo, what you are seeing here is general introduction about how the credit card works in general, how the balance are calculated, how the interest are calculated. What we need to do is to create our first problem is paying debt off in a year. That's the name of the problem we have. And the given variables we have is balance, annual interest rate, monthly payment rate. Here are the three things that are given. Out of these three things, we need to calculate monthly interest rate out of annual interest rate by dividing annual interest rate by 12, where we calculate minimum monthly payment by multiplying minimum monthly payment rate by previous balance, which is the balance right here, and where we calculate minimum monthly unpaid balance by using previous balance and minimum monthly payment, and you have your updated balance each month by monthly unpaid balance plus monthly interest rate times monthly unpaid balance. And that's how we do this. That's how we do this. And it seems easy at first, but we need to understand how the math works. We have to do this each time 12 times for each month. That's the first thing we need to do. And we have to make sure that we output in decimal places. Not like too many days, only two decimal places, not more than that. So let's get started. What we need to do is, in our process, we need to define the balance. What should be in the bracket, if I may ask you? All right, let me show you. It should start with balance because we need three input variables, balance, and second is annual interest rate, and thirdly, monthly payment rate. These are two things we need. Now, what we need to do is we need to calculate monthly interest rate. Let's calculate monthly interest rate. We should be the division of this value by 12.0 according to the solution, according to the question. And when we calculate the end of month balance, we'll name it as the end of month balance, which is the balance. EOM balance, end of month balance, and we just renamed it as a EOM balance because it's more descriptive. And what we need to do is we need to calculate minimum monthly payment, which should be equal to monthly payment rate times end of month balance. Monthly payment rate times EOM balance. That should be the minimum monthly payment and monthly unpaid balance. This is a new variable here. Monthly unpaid balance equal to EOM balance minus minimum monthly payment, and then we have to calculate EOM balance of the month which should be equal to monthly unpaid balance plus monthly interest rate times monthly unpaid balance. That should be our end of month balance. And hopefully this works. What we did is that we calculate this each variable what we need, and we did just for 1 month. How about doing for many months? Well, how to do that? Do you know how to do that? Yes, we need to use for and for loop to do that. That's one the way to do it, not the only way. Let's say define I to go through each month. That should be range 12, and this will help us to go through each month. And we'll do this each time for each month, and we'll return. What should we return? Can you tell me? Exactly, we should return end of month balance. Is this the correct way to return it? No, because we are supposed to return in a two rounded decimal figure, correct? Therefore, we need to do round by 2. That's how we do it. Now, this is how we do it. Next step, what we need to do is we need to do get balance, and this is our test case 42, comma 0.2, comma 0.04. Let's see if it works. It is not working. Why is that? There is some issue here. It is not giving what we it is supposed to give us. Now let me check what's happening here. Is minimum balance is monthly balance and end of month balance. Where balance is equal to minus minimum monthly payment, and end of month balance equal to monthly unbilled balance plus monthly interest rate plus balance. Let's see if this is what we need here. Oh, this is correct. This is 31.8 sheet. This is exactly what we need. So in conclusion, well, let's review what we did today. We talked about a credit card statement and how the credit card statement works. And we have a problem. A problem was presented to us with three variables: balance, annual interest rate, and monthly payment rate. And it asks us to calculate the uh, calculate the remaining balance after 1 year if we just pay minimum monthly payment rate for 12 months. And this is what we get. Thank you so much.